I'm Juan Carlos Carrillo. I'm a PhD student at the Bioengineering Lab in Clemson, specifically in the BTRL. And I focus on tissue engineering, where we set up bioreactors to test different conditions, specifically diabetes. From the very beginning, they sat down with me, tried to understand absolutely everything that I was doing, because they envisioned that in order to give out a really good product, they needed to understand my needs. I think that was key for us to, past 4 months later, be here where I've been able to run successful bioreactors back to back. I saved a lot of time and money. The fact that the machine shop is on campus, if I would have had to go outside of campus, somewhere else, it would have taken me days and days and days of work or interaction. Here, I would just pop there for an hour, figure things out, the next day for 30 minutes, the next day for 10 minutes, but then I didn't have to go an hour away or anything like that. And then pricing-wise, they did everything possible to make it within our budget. They gave the results in a timely manner. As part of that understanding of my needs, it was, what is your timeline? When do you need this by? And they wanted to make sure that they could deliver it on time so that I could use them. What I appreciated from them was their understanding of the materials itself. And if they didn't have that understanding, they would research it very well. And before they took any steps, they would always check with me and with any necessary people that could help to make sure that anything that we were gonna do was gonna be right. In order for you to have a successful product at the end, you need to make them part of your team. And I don't want to say this in terms of like, oh, you're gonna have to put a lot of time, but you need to care for what you're doing. And if you do that, they will care as much as you do. And it was a lot of fun. I'm gonna say I learned a lot too. It was an opportunity for me to learn. So I said I didn't have to learn everything, but I was able to learn from them a lot. And I would say that would be key. I wouldn't go there just with here, just do this for me. I would try to collaborate a little bit in terms of giving them specific details about what you need, and they will give you what you need.